Stop for 1 second. The word paradise, heaven, the most beautiful place you can imagine, is not an English word. It is Persian. It comes from Iran, and it is more than 2,000 years old. In Old Persian, paradise meant just one simple thing: a garden with a wall around it. So keep that word in your head: paradise, a garden. Because this is a story about a girl who lost her garden, and about 3 small words that brought it back. Her name was Layla, and by the end, you will understand the 3 words too. Stay with me. Layla was 25 years old. She lived in a big, gray city very far from Iran. It was cold there. It rained a lot. The sky was always gray. Every morning she took the train. She worked all day in a small office. She came home late and tired. She ate dinner alone. The next day was the same, and the next. Layla was busy. She did not think about Iran. She left when she was a small child. For her, Iran was just an old word, a place far away. People asked her, "Where are you from?"
Oh, a small country? You don't know it.
She forgot the gardens. She forgot the mountains. She forgot the smell of her grandmother's kitchen. But her grandmother did not forget her. One cold morning, Layla found a small box at her door. It was brown and old. Her name was on it in beautiful writing, like little birds on the paper. She knew that writing. It was her grandmother's. Inside the box there was no money, no gift, only 2 things. The first was a tiny glass bottle. Inside were a few thin red threads, like small pieces of fire. Layla opened it and smelled them. Suddenly she stopped. She knew that smell. It was warm. It was sweet. It was home. The red threads were saffron. Maybe you don't know saffron. It is a spice, a red gold spice from a small purple flower. It is the most expensive spice in the world, more expensive than gold. And more than 90% of all the saffron on earth comes from one country, Iran. Iranian farmers pick these flowers by hand, early in the morning. Each flower gives only 3 red threads, only 3. For 1 kilo of saffron, you need more than 150,000 flowers. Layla held the little bottle, and a small question stayed in her head.
Why saffron?
Her grandmother could send a photo. She could send gold. But she sent these red threads.
Why?
Layla did not know. But the question would not leave her, and somewhere deep inside her, a memory began to move. A memory from when she was a very small girl. She could not see it yet, but she could feel it. Warm and far away, like a light underwater. Then Layla looked at the second thing in the box. It was a small letter, just 1 line. 3 words. The letter said,
Plant a garden.
That's all. Plant a garden. Layla looked around her small flat. No garden, no green, only gray walls and 1 small window.
Plant a garden? Where? How? Grandmother, I have no garden.
She put the letter on the table, but she could not stop looking at it. That night, Layla called her grandmother. It was the first time in many months.
Grandmother, thank you for the box, but I don't understand. Plant a garden? I live in a small flat, and I am very tired. I don't have time for old stories tonight.
Her grandmother was quiet for a second. Then she laughed, softly and warmly.
5 minutes, Layla. Give me 5 minutes, then you can sleep.
Layla looked at the clock.
Okay, 5 minutes.
But those 5 minutes became 2 hours.
Layla, do you know where the word paradise comes from? It is our word, a Persian word. Long ago, our kings built green gardens in the middle of the desert. Trees, cool water, birds, roses. People said these gardens were like heaven on earth. So our word for a walled garden became the world's word for heaven. That is a nice story, grandmother, but paradise is just an old word. It does not help me here, in this cold city. Just an old word? Then answer me one question. How do you grow a green garden in a hot desert with no rain? Think. How?
Layla said nothing. She did not know.
Ah, then listen. 3,000 years ago, our people had a secret. They dug long tunnels under the ground for many kilometers to bring cool water from the mountains to the dry land. We call them qanats. No machines, no electricity, only hands and clever minds. And some of these water tunnels still work today after 3,000 years. Okay, that is clever, but it was 3,000 years ago, grandmother. Why does it matter now? Because we never stopped being clever. Let me show you one more thing. The desert is very hot, but we had no electricity, so we built tall towers on our roofs. We call them windcatchers. They catch the wind from the sky and send it down into the house. Cool, fresh air, with no electricity, 2,000 years ago.
Layla looked at the clock again. 5 minutes were finished long ago, but she did not want to stop.
Grandmother, tell me more.
On the other side of the world, her grandmother smiled.
Soon it will be spring, and in spring we have our new year. We call it Nowruz, New Day. For us, the year does not start in cold winter. It starts in spring when the world is green again. We grow fresh green grass in a small dish. We call it sabse. We jump over small fires and say, "Take my problems, give me your warm light." It is more than 3,000 years old. Kings have come and gone. But every spring, in every Iranian home, in every country, we still grow that little dish of green grass. Even far from home, even alone, especially alone.
And suddenly the memory came back, clear and bright. Layla was a little girl again, sitting on the kitchen floor with her grandmother. Together they were growing the little green grass for Nowruz in a small white dish. Her grandmother's hands were over her small hands.
Slowly, Layla. A garden needs time.
Layla had forgotten this for 20 years. Now she could not stop the tears. Her grandmother was quiet for a moment. Then she said,
Layla, do you remember our poet, Hafez? He lived 700 years ago. But still today, when people have a problem, they close their eyes, open his book, and read the first poem they see, and they believe Hafez will answer them. That is who we are. We keep our beautiful things. We do not throw them away. And you, my dear, you almost threw yours away.
Layla looked again at the little bottle on the table. Slowly, she opened it. She took one thin red thread and put it on her tongue, and the cold gray room disappeared. She was small again. She was in her grandmother's kitchen. Yellow rice, warm light. Her grandmother singing an old song. The taste was sweet and a little bitter, and it was home. And now Layla understood the saffron. Her grandmother did not send gold because gold is cold and heavy. She sent saffron because it is light, small enough to carry anywhere in the world, and inside those tiny red threads lived the sun, the desert, and the hands of her people.
Grandmother, you did not send me a spice. You sent me home in a little bottle. Yes, my dear. Now you remember.
For a long time, Layla said nothing. She looked out of her small window at the gray city. But now she did not feel so far away.
Grandmother, the letter. Plant a garden. I think I understand now. Tell me. You are not talking about a real garden. You mean here. You mean inside me. Iran is my garden, and I almost let it die.
Her grandmother was quiet for a moment. Then she said, very softly,
Yes, my dear. We carry our garden inside us. Anywhere we go, we can plant it again. That is why no one can ever take it from us.
The next morning, Layla did something new. She did not run to the train. She stopped at a small shop and bought a little pot, some soil, and some seeds. She put the pot on her window, the only place with light. Every day she gave it water. Every day she looked.
Slowly, a garden needs time.
And one gray morning she saw it. A tiny green leaf. Small, soft, alive. For the first time in a long time, her small gray flat had something green in it. A little piece of paradise. Her garden had begun. That spring, for the first time in many years, Layla celebrated Nowruz. Alone in a far country, but not really alone, because now she knew. She carried 3,000 years with her, everywhere she went. So let's go back to the beginning, to that beautiful old word, paradise. Maybe paradise is not only a place far away. Maybe paradise is a garden you carry inside you, your home, your family, your stories. The things no one can take away. And those 3 small words from grandmother, plant a garden, were not about flowers at all. They were about remembering who you are. So let me ask you, my friend, where is your garden? And are you taking care of it? Thank you for listening to this story. If you are watching far from home, from any home, in any country, tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? And what is the one thing that reminds you of home? I read every comment. If this story made you feel something, please like the video and subscribe. We tell a new story every week. Slow, simple English with all our heart. Take care of your garden, and I will see you next time.